Action!
Hello and welcome to Chicago Reacts. My name is Colin, and today I'm watching Season 1, Episode 16 of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime. And today's episode is called Demon Lord Milim Attacks. Milim. Do we know Demon Lord Milim? I know was that one of the people at the end of the last episode there? The guy with the pointy ears? And does he have pink hair or white hair? I don't know. He's an elfish-looking guy. I think that's who Demon Lord Milim is. I'm not certain about that, but because I'm really terrible at names, but that'd be my guess. But yeah, you know, Rimuru and his nation of monsters—they're really coming along. They actually officially announced themselves as a nation. Their original town is going to be the capital city called Rimuru. So, you know, get moving on up in the world. And they formed an alliance with the, was he the what do you call it, dwarf king, I guess? Although he looks very human, but I think he was like king of the dwarves too. I don't know. But yeah. So we're getting towards the end of the season here. I'm not sure exactly how many episodes are left, but I would expect, you know, the big baddie is gonna be making his presence known pretty shortly here, would be my guess. So yeah. With that being said, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll bring up this into full screen and then onto share screen, and we'll get right into it, shall we?
お前たちに土産をやろう。
土産？
Is that a body? Ah!
ベストじゃねえか。
Jesus. Wonder why he's foaming at the mouth, too. Guess we'll find out.
有能なこいつを遊ばせておく。俺に使えるのを許すわけにもいかん。好きに使え。
Oh, wait, was that the really, posh, I don't know, arrogant son of a bitch from last time that got punched out? I think that's him. It's been a few episodes. My memory is faint, but I think that's him.
流出していった本人が今さら何を言う。
Wasn't he banished?
そのための名役よ。ベスターよ。はい。ここで思う存分研究に励むがよい。
Who was that guy? What was he doing? I'm totally blank. Like he's familiar. I recognize him like visually. I'm just totally blanking on what his storyline was earlier in this season. Who is this guy? Like I think he was trying to build something, right? Like he's a scientist of some kind. He was trying to build something and it failed, I think.
ベスタ、よろしくな。
はは、不詳ながら精一杯務めさせていただきます。では、さらばだ。
It's like it's nice how everyone in this world like they you know, make mistakes, or errors, they do something bad. They recognize it, they feel the shame and they beg forgiveness, but they also like ask for a chance to prove themselves to, like, you know, because words only go so far. You have to show, you know, that you're not, I guess, regretful, you know, but he's willing to put the work in, you know. That's a good quality in my book. I don't know, maybe that's something we should all take lesson from. This is, I would say, overall, like, minus, you know, some of the overt, like, boob jokes and shit like that. Overall, the show's, like, a pretty good, you know, study in morality, I think. And, I don't know. But again, I guess it takes everybody on all sides kind of following the same, what do you call it? Like honor system, essentially. Otherwise, there would be continual conflict. But everyone so far in this realm have a very strong sense of honor, and like they share the same sense of honor and what that means. You know, yeah, I don't know where I was necessarily going with that, but I guess just comparisons, I guess, to this fantasy realm to our own world, you know.
さてと何やってんだお前
いやこのガビルリムル殿のお力になりたくハセさん来ましたぞガビル様かっこいい当然であるでは切りますねいやぜひとも我が輩たちを配下に加えていただきたいのです必ずお役に立ってご覧に入れますので何
父アビルが見聞を広めよと送り出してくれたのです
我が輩を慕ってついてきたのでは
違います
なるほどねそんなこんなでベスターそしてガビルたちが仲間になったまさか名前って上書きできるの
ありがとうございます我が輩一生ついていきます
仕方ないので
he wasn't gonna give him a name, but then he did it by accident by just stating his already existing, like how exactly did that happen? I'm confused, but yeah, and I guess he had no other choice but to name his brethren. So wait, are they actually his brothers then, or just followers of his? Oh, anyway, silly. That's silly.
リムル様の望みのままに
一生懸命働かせていただきます
ソーカたちはソウエイに預けてガビルたちには仕事を与えた
Wait, were those the lizard
リ
people?
ザードなんて進化したら人間そっくりになるものもいるんだな湿度もあり住処としてもちょうどいい場所だ
I'm not sure how I feel about the how certain monsters when they evolve they tend to look more human-like, which, you know, just because of the whole purpose of their nation, like they're a nation of monsters, like unique creatures on their own, and they're working together, but to have them all evolve into looking, basically being like the same type of creature, I don't know. It's sending mixed messages, I think. I don't know. Be proud and unique into who you are. I think it's weird to evolve higher, but then to also evolve away from I don't know. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm getting at? Just feels a little weird to me, you know?
俺の体内で生成しているのと同等の性能を持つ回復薬が量産できればいろいろと助かるからななんだかんだあったがようやく落ち着いて暮らせるようになったな
Don't speak so soon.
面白いのだこのおもちゃの調査には私が思う
What?
しかしミリム、ジュラの森には不可侵条約が。
不可侵条約そんなものベルドラが消えた今撤廃してしまえばいいのだ
なるほど、その通りですね。
Who are these people and why are they wearing like hardly any clothes? What is going on? Like her ass was fully out. My God.
から調査に行ってくる邪魔するでないぞクレイマンカリオンフレイ
Like I could hardly like pay attention to what she was saying. I don't know what her role is, what she does. Like she just flew out of window, but she's dressed like she works at a strip club. Like who is she? Dang, is that the... They built that city up real quick.
デストロイの2つ名を持つ魔王ミリムナーマだぞ魔王かよ
Oh, she's the demon
この
lord.
町で一番強そうだったから挨拶に来てやったのだそうなのだこのねミリムアイは相手の隠している魔素の量まで測定できるのだほう、
Okay.
ミリムアイまあそして解析するまでもなくツルペタこれは勝てないな
What?
何をやっても通用しない気がす
Did he seriously...
ツルペタこれは勝てないな
Bro, what?
何をやっても
Dude, enough.
まさに天才だなところでその姿が本性なのか
Maybe that's why she's wearing that outfit, just as a full-on distraction. She just knows the men in this world. Jesus Christ. That was a silver-haired humanoid.
それだけかよ。
That's it? Just an introduction?
我が主やけどくらいしてくれると嬉しいが
Nope.
これほどの攻撃、私以外の魔王なら無傷では受けられなかったかもしれぬぞ。だが、わかった。
解測定可能な加減段階で魔素量が10倍以上です。
まだ本気出してないのに、俺の10倍以上の強さか。だが森で見つけて捕食していた蜂蜜だ。もちろんそれだけではないのだ。今後私がお前たちに手出しをしないと使おうではないか。勝ったな。強さは圧倒的。では今回は引き分けということで。
Very impressive that he you know, can recognize when he's outmatched as far as power goes, but you know, he narrows down and really is able to identify what it is they really want or need, you know. He's a tactful guy, that Rimuru, you know, doesn't always have to use force, can just use intelligence. That's sly. I wonder if this is like a D&D campaign, like what you would have to roll. Yeah, cracked voice there. What do you have to roll for that to work? Almost have to be like a natural 20 there.
憧れたりとかするだろ？死ねって。魔王になったら何かいいことでもあるのか？強い魔人や人間に威張れるのだぞ。退屈なんじゃないか？それ。あ、退屈してたなこいつ。じゃあそろそろ。でも。教えろ。そして私を仲間に入れるのだ。村に連れて行け。叩くかよ。わかったわかった。
He's like, you know, spending 2 minutes being a therapist for her, and she's like, "Oh, yes, I'm on board." This is why it's giving me sort of like cult vibes, you know. Just he's more than just their leader. He's like almost their spiritual leader. You know, am I the only one that's getting a little bit of like a culty vibe? It's starting to form. I mean, he like Rimuru himself doesn't embody like this sort of cult leader mindset of, you know, I am perfect and these people need to follow me. You know, he just kind of fell into it. But still, like the way that these people are gathering behind him, it feels a little cultish.
約束しろよミリム。もちろんなのだ。約束するぞリムル。
さすがはリムル様だ。こうも簡単に魔王ミリムを手なずけるとは。
Yep.
リムル様なら当然です。
俺は先にリグルド殿に知らせるとしよう。
Are they like speaking telekinetically like that? Is that what they were doing? I don't know if I knew that was a thing.
というものだ。
ミリムは有名だったんだ。ずいぶんみんな好意的だな。今日からここに住むことになった。よろしくな。
Well, everyone else is on board with it, so.
そのままの意味だぞ。私もここに住むことにしたのだ。そうだな。友達は変だな。あ、聞こえてた？友達というよりマブダチだな。マブダチ。違うのか？マブダチ。
Well, you can't say no.
みんな、俺たちはマブダチ。
I don't know. I'm almost wondering that this might end poorly. She seems, what do you call it? Volatile? Yeah. I'm not so sure how this is gonna end.
よし。
丸投げ。
魔王ミリム様は最強最古の魔王の一人。絶対に敵対してはならない魔王と言われておりますしの。今回ばかりは
リムル様にお任せするほかありますまいて。
仕方ないか。
Well, I'm relieved that at least some people in the village were not 100% on board and actually saw her as the threat that she is. So yeah, I'm glad that the people that Rimuru has chosen to surround himself with and advise him are wise. So yeah, let's keep going.
お風呂で遊んではいけませんって言ってるでしょ。くらえ。やったなー。それいい加減にしなさい。君が信じて私。
All right. Yeah, I'm definitely certain at this point that the show is not for kids. At least I would hope not. Definitely seems to be for a little bit more of a mature audience. But yeah, still enjoying it. Still a good show. Still making progress and whatnot. Milim certainly adds an air of volatility, as I said before. It's kind of keeps things interesting, I guess. So with that being said, be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you want to keep following along on this journey with me. And we'll see if Milim's presence in the city causes any further disruptions. So yeah, thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time.